Can I offer you a drink?
Don't mind if I do.
Will a jug and suffice?
Yeah, man. I might drink that. Yeah. Blessings.
This violation would not to be Miss Jen that it happened to. The one who owned the bar.
One and the same.
King. You see, the love for a woman, or thinking that you love a woman, can sometimes make you do strange things, as you should know. But if we step back and look, sometimes we realize that them in themselves have their own demons a fight, their own secrets, as you should know.
Well, I guess it's time we address the obvious elephant in the room. I know that I violated you and your people because of her. And yes, I served some time and all of that. However, that does not nullify the fact, say, a personal apology is still relevant and in order. So I want to take this opportunity to say, bro, sorry for all the trauma, the pain, the turmoil, and all the other foolishness that I have caused you because of that stupid action.
Well, King, apology accepted. But truth be told, you helped me dodge a bullet.
Well, the apology is still necessary. Because in the moment, all these things could have made me mortal enemies beyond reconciliation.
That is true. However, on to more pressing matters. This thing up at the top of the hill have me concerned. How we gonna tackle this?
The truth is, that is why I come link you. Because if it left to me, it's a bullet to the head and we bury him in the foundation up on him same project. But I come to you because, you is a more tactical man, a more meticulous person, per se. So that is why I come seek your counsel so we can level-headedly approach it from a legal perspective.
Interesting, it's a level-headed. King, if we're gonna do this, it have to be void of any emotion. You know, emotions speak without the benefit of intellect. Anger is the stupidest emotion, and it leads you to do stupid things. So get the anger out. Alright?
Point taken. Someone's. Wow, 4 families up on the top of the hill that I have currently I seek refuge from because their homes was totally demolished by them. The word is, them soon get here. But watch that style. You lead, I will keep up.
Say less.
It was a pleasure.
Alright, King.
Blessings.
G code. I have something else for you looking. Yeah, man. Me send you the information. Alright.